After the sharp correction in Adani Group stocks, there's a concern over Indian Bank's exposure in Adani Group. So Adani Group has a total debt of around 2 lakh crore, and as per CLSA report, out of total debt, Indian banks have around 38% exposure, which is around 70 to 80,000 crore, and remaining loan include 37% from bonds, 11% from other financial institutions, and around 12-13% from intergroup lending. And within banks, private banks have less than 10% exposure, and remaining 25 to 30% exposure is with public banks. Please note that this exposure is less than 0.5% of total loans across the banking sector. For PSU Bank, the debt is at 0.7% of total loans, and for private banks, it is at 0.3%. In terms of net worth, the total exposure is 6% of PSU sector and 1.4% of private sector. It means Indian Bank's exposure in Adani Group is within limits. So that should be a big relief for investors in banking sector.